Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and check if your device or if your iPhone needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and I'm going to just go ahead to my photos, right? In my photos, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select the photo that I want to rotate. Let's say, for example, this quote. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click the edit right here at the top, right? Sorry. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the crop, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to rotate that picture if you want it to be, you know, vertical, horizontal, whatever. You can rotate it the way that you actually want. So if you want it to be left, right, or if you want it to, you know, rotate it like, you know, like from the horizontal or vertical, or if you want it to be like this, like that, whatever it might be, you're gonna be able to do it like this. And if you want it to be flipped back or rotated like up front or something like that, you're gonna be able to do that as well. So basically, after you finish, hit done, and basically that's it, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.